Hey guys, I'll tell you how to get free membership from Netmeds. As you all know, Netmeds is an online app which delivers medicines home and have free doctor consultations. If you go for this free membership, as you see in the picture, I'll provide the link in the description box. You get the app from the store. As you see in the picture, click on open. After you clicked on open, this is how the screen looks. Click on get started. Once you click on that, got to sign up with your phone number as shown in the picture, or you can continue with Google, whatever you want. Then the screen appears in this way as create account. Here you got to fill up your email ID, first name and last name, and click on verify. Click on allow and enable your location. Now click on account, come down and click on account. Once you click on account, you see here get membership to enjoy the benefits. Now it is automatically selected as 12 months membership, 499 rupees. You can see all the benefits of this membership. Now click on buy 12 months membership. After you click, you see here apply promo code. You click on that. Just enter the promo code as shown in the picture. You can pause the video and enter the promo code. Otherwise, you can go to my description box, copy the promo code, come and paste over here. You enter, just click on apply. That's it, done. Here you see the total amount to be paid is 0. After confirming this, click on proceed. Afterwards, you will be asked your address. Give your address details as shown in the picture. After adding your address up, now click on place order. That's it, done. Your order is successful and you can enjoy free membership for 12 months. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to Flying Skies One. Keep smiling. Have a good day.